Everybody, we're about to take an impromptu 10th anniversary trip that we didn't think we'd be taking to Disneyland for the very first time ever for Jessica. Aren't you excited?
I'm super excited. I'll be more excited once we get on the plane and somebody doesn't make us late.
We're 3-4 hours ahead of schedule. We'll be fine. Have you ever been to California?
When I was a baby.
So you don't remember anything about it?
No.
Never been?
When have you been?
10 years old. So
so you probably don't remember much.
Don't remember much. I remember Main Street USA a little bit through Disneyland. Never saw California Adventure, and that's basically all I remember of it. So
that's good. So it'll be new for both of us.
It really will be. And I've heard it's a lot smaller, but I've heard it feels like Walt. So this is what I'm excited about.
I don't know what that means, but I'm excited regardless.
It's the place where Walt walked. So that's what I'm excited to see about and go see the light up in the firehouse to know that he's still there.
Let's go.
We're freezing our butts out here at the parking area. We're waiting on the bus to come pick us up.
I don't know why I'm wearing my mask.
I know why, because you're a goober, that's why. But hey, at least you're being extra safe, I guess.
I'm cold, so.
And cold at the same time. Is that me? Oh, look at that. We made it. 5 hours flying. Now, I don't know how I was going to make that a wide trip if that was rough on me.
You probably wouldn't.
I probably would have cried a little bit.
Probably would not have survived.
No. We're here at the Santa Ana Airport, John Wayne Airport. Orange County Airport, one of those. You can see the thing behind us. We're waiting on our Uber, and then we'll be at Disneyland. Right here, look at this. We're here!
The weirdest elevator ever.
All right, everybody, we want to show you around our hotel room here at Paradise Pier. What are you doing? Like 5 seconds into doing this video, you're already acting a fool. And we'll show you the window that we have and the great view we actually got, surprisingly, from this in a little bit. But we want to take you around the room a little bit, show you some of the amenities, and just talk about like what everything's in here. Sliding glass mirror for your closet space. And Jessica's going to be our Vanna White today. Thank you, dear. Of course, lots of space in here to store stuff. We've already got, and you'll have to forgive our stuff being here, but we tried to clean it up as best as possible. You're a really good Vanna White.
Thank you.
Did you know that?
I would love to make millions turning over letters.
Yeah, could you do that, please? So we could come here more often. Let's show them the other side.
Oh. And behind this door.
Behind this door. So traditional space that you have here. You can see it kind of fits nicely with everything. And your extra pillow, blanket, all that good stuff. Jessica might need that because she gets really, really cold at night.
Yeah, because somebody keeps the AC on.
I'm sorry
40 below zero.
that I want it to be comfortable in here. Surprisingly, I didn't think we were going to get this. It's almost like a little breakfast coffee bar.
You always get this in a Disney hotel.
Do you really? I thought it was you get the unit, but right here. But I didn't know that you got the other. Okay, well, it's got Joffrey's for those of you that wonder.
Ah.
Which is your favorite? Is that your favorite?
Honestly, I do like the French roast. I think these are all French roast.
I thought that was artisanal.
French roast.
French roast, okay. Comes with some cups and everything, and I think that they're...
We are grateful it comes with cups.
Yes, and I think it comes with, you know, like I don't think they come every day to service the room.
They come according to the channel.
Yeah, which we've got.
They come
displayed
every
back
other
here.
day.
They come every other.
But you can always call your hotel on the phone by pressing 0.
Oh my gosh, you really are being annoying. Apparently, we didn't know we were getting this, but this is one of the, I guess, what do you call them?
Like the
Annex rooms, suite rooms, annex rooms.
I don't know what it's called.
But basically, you know, you can rent 2 of these and open up to each other.
Yes. Which we did before with my family.
It was really
Walt
good.
Disney World.
Yeah, pretty good sized bathroom. Nothing really super like sticks out about it.
Except this lovely wallpaper.
I'm not gonna lie.
With the beach chairs.
I kind of like the wallpaper. I'm not gonna lie. And then, unlike Disney World, they still have these awesome body lotions and conditioners and shampoos that I really love. So I'm excited for that. Surfing is the theme, since this is like the California beach theme. And decent.
That shower's nice.
Yeah,
I hadn't even looked in there.
It's actually like a really wide tub. I'm like, can I take a bath later?
I mean, I did bring Clorox. Can bleach it first and then take a bath.
You don't think they cleaned it thoroughly?
I don't.
It is Disney after all. All right, so that's all of the stuff in the hallway here. This is the main living area. So we showed you a little bit earlier. Jessica just realized this picture was there like 5 minutes ago. We've been here for an hour at least in the room.
That's incorrect.
But this is like those old Goofy cartoons,
yes.
You know, like where he shows you how to do something. So that's really cool.
So, have you noticed this bed?
Yeah.
Does it remind you of anything?
Like old Pier wood almost?
No. Does it remind you of Cinderella's castle, or is that just me? Look at the
I see what you're talking about.
And the little notches.
I see what you're talking about, but I almost thought it was like supposed to be like old wooden fences that you see like at beach towns and stuff like that.
Well, that would make a lot more logical sense.
Which is why you have this lamp fixture that's kind of like those that you see out on walkways. But I see what you're talking about, though. I really do.
Well, I was thinking Cinderella's castle. Apparently, I forgot we're at a Pier resort.
We're at Sleeping Beauty Castle, not Cinderella's castle here in Disneyland.
Well,
Jessica's demonstrating. The beds are actually really nice and soft, and pillows are good. So quality with the Disney stuff. You get one side table in between traditional foam. You know, nothing really stands out about
Cal's
that.
already decided he gets his own bed, so.
You had discussions with me about that.
This bed is really cozy.
Don't let her fool you. She suggested it.
No,
earlier.
here's where you're gonna sleep. It is a couch.
It is a couch that you can use. It's really nice too. I mean,
it is pretty cozy.
I would call it the most comfortable couch in the world.
It's not bad.
They have instructions for you to open it up. It's really simple, but it kind of flies out.
It's really simple, but
Just like once you see, it just kind of comes out like that. Nice and floofy.
there you go.
And it's even big enough for someone like me. I wish we had this when I was growing up in our family of 5, so I could actually have my own bed. I wouldn't call it the most comfortable thing in the world.
Now, you mean your own bed on vacation?
Yes.
So you had your own bed growing up.
When I'm saying on vacation, yes. But like, this is not probably the most comfortable thing in the world, but it'll do, especially if you're tired from the parks. Ow, that was my arm. All right, so there's your day bed. Ooh, and more California beach themed surfboard stuff. Picture up here. This is really cool. Jessica even pointed this one out.
I love this.
The little Mickey lamp. And then you get the, obviously him sitting on the pier and stuff. On and off.
Thank you.
These are like everywhere in this hotel. The little sunshine display. I guess it's like the main icon for the hotel. You got pretty decent storage here on your TV. And you got your safe, your mini fridge. It's cold, actually. And then decent amount of storage down here below. We won't open both of them up, but you can kind of see there. And of course you got storage over there if you need that. But what I really like is this workspace over here, especially as much stuff as we do while I'm here. You got a wicker chair that goes perfect with like the beach theme, perfectly. And then this is the coolest part. So you can like literally turn around and work and watch TV, or you turn around and watch the park outside, or breakfast in bed, as Jessica suggested. She wants me to actually like prepare a spread for her and wheel it
and roll it between the two beds.
I told her I would roll it down to downtown Disney over here. It's literally right there, and go grab something from the bakery there and just bring it to her on this.
Not mad at that.
And then you got a drawer here. It's a really nice workspace, more beach themed stuff. All in all, I'm very impressed with the room, you know, for being, I guess, what you would call not necessarily their value resort, but what would be kind of like that, the cheapest one. It's really nice. I'm gonna show them the outside. So we did not pay for a theme park room, but
that was super expensive.
But we can see the theme park, and we've watched the, I don't know, I think you can kind of see it here on screen. To the right before you get to the wall we're looking at right there, there's the Incredicoaster. It might even go by in a second. The Silly Symphony swings, basically, and there's something going up right now. I think that's one of the kiddie rides, but it's basically Paradise Pier that we're looking at, or Pixar Pier as it's called now. That's Grand Californian, the main drive through the Disney property, and that's basically where downtown Disney is. So we've got a really, I mean, all things considered, a really great view. So
Absolutely.
What you think about the room?
I love it. I love the location. The fact that we were able to just walk to downtown Disney, grab lunch, walk around, and be back within, I mean, we could have done all of that within an hour. Walk there, eat, and come back.
Right, and we did, but the thing is, like, now we're not worried about, oh, we gotta get on a bus. Now, you know, we can just...
You know how I feel about those dang Disney buses. I love this, that we are at our legs' discretion. However fast we can walk, that's how fast we get there. I love it.
And another cool thing is that you kind of have to look, you may not be able to see it on camera here, but the monorail line is like right over there in the far corner. And I've seen it go by a couple of times. So we really have, you know, for not paying for a theme park view or a cool view.
Yeah,
we got
really lucked out.
Really lucked out. So that's our room. Just wanted to show you around what everything that you get if you stay at Paradise Pier. So apparently each of the towers is named after like Adventureland, Frontierland, things like that. That's really cool. And check out this pool. Hey, honey, you want to come get married again right here?
No.
Wow, that's hurtful. An adventure tower or frontier tower?
Adventure. You know I'm all about adventure.
No, you're not. Don't lie.
Where's the napping tower?
Jessica says, I don't care as long as it lets me. Ooh, look at this. Would you let me do this in our yard, Jessica?
Yes. Nobody would ever see it.
And nobody.
Look at his hair.
What's wrong with his hair? Don't be judging somebody's hair like yours. Jessica's taking a quick nap right now while we kind of catch up on travel day rest, things like that, but I couldn't rest, so I came out here to show you guys this view from around here. You can see pretty much all of the Disneyland property from this spot. It's actually a really pretty sunset too over there. You can see this is the top of the Paradise Pier tower. And this is like the third floor. I hope you can hear me with all the background noise too. This is normally called the sandbar over here. I think this is, they normally have a place where you can eat, hang out, lots of seating and stuff. And it looks like too, this is like a seating area where I'm guessing you can watch fireworks or something, because it's all set out nicely right there. But the difference is the parks are that way, I believe. Yes, parks are that way. So I'm not really sure. But anyway, so this is the Disneyland Hotel. Off in the distance, and we just visited over there for the first time a few minutes ago. We could see the different towers. There's, I believe that's Adventure Tower, Frontier Tower, and Fantasy Tower, and they've got another tower going up, which I'll assume will be probably Tomorrow Tower, which would be really cool. All that way is downtown Disney, the Grand Floridian Californian, right there in front of us, and then continuing that way behind the tower is Disneyland and California Adventure. So you can get a pretty good perspective of everything up here. It's really nice. We're gonna head back to downtown Disney tonight to get some food, probably some ice cream and stuff, even on a cold night. We'll see what else we get into.